Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Hrikin. Today in this video we will see how we can generate a QR code of any website. So create a folder on a desktop and open the folder with the code. So I already opened it here. So we need to install two libraries. One library is for generating QR code. So let's install the libraries. So you have to go to your terminal and click on the new terminal. So we can see the terminal option over here and just type pip install py QR code. It will hardly take 10 to 15 seconds to install. So I have already installed the library, and the next library is pip install py. So till the library is okay, the library is installed. Then close the terminal and create a new file inside the projects. So the file name will be app.py. Okay. Now let's import the install library. Import py code and import the second library. Import png and we need to py code import QR code object. Yes, here it is. Now let's store the web address in the variable. So site equal to, so I will copy paste my own site here. If you are interested in seeing my different projects, so do visit my site. Okay, then we need to call a function called pyqrcode dot create. So let's do this. So url equal to py qr code dot, sorry, create, and in the bracket we need to assign this site variable. Then the image array will be stored in the url function. To see the image we need to save this arrays into the picture. So let's do url dot svg and name the file whatever you want to name it. So let's say my qr dot svg, and we need to also the mention the scale of the image. So let assign scale equal to 8. So you can try with play with any number. Also we will save the image in png format also. So url dot png my qr, it should be in the semicolon, not a semicolon, open bracket. So my qr dot png and give the scale as 8 scale. That's it, and we will look at the result. So run this program by clicking over here. Okay, so as you can see, the two images are generated. If you minimize this VS Code and go to the project, the two file will be shown here. So let's open this my PNG format. Okay, open. Okay, here it is. If you want to scan this QR code, you can pause the video and scan this QR code. Okay, thank you guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and share with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for amazing videos like this. Thank you so much.